we'll guide you through how to create a Mailchimp email template. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Mailchimp on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the Campaigns tab located on the left-hand side of the screen. In the Campaigns section, you'll see an option to create a new campaign. Click on Create Campaign and choose Email as your campaign type. After selecting Email, you'll be prompted to enter a campaign name. Choose a name that helps you easily identify the template later. Once you've named your campaign, click Begin. This will take you to the Email Builder where you can start designing your email template. In the Email Builder, you'll see three main tabs: Content, Design, and Settings. Go to the Design tab first to choose a layout that suits your needs. Mailchimp offers pre-made templates, or you can start from scratch with a blank template. Choose the one you prefer. Next, switch to the Content tab to add text, images, and other elements. You can drag and drop different content blocks into your template. When you're happy with the content, go back to the Design tab to adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand's style. Don't forget to use the Preview option to see how your email will look on different devices. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Save as Template to save your work for future use. This ensures you can reuse the template without starting from scratch each time. Finally, give your template a descriptive name and click Save. Now you've successfully created a reusable Mailchimp email template. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.